Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we delve into the exciting lineup of upcoming products from DJI for 2025. Despite potential challenges like the looming US ban, DJI is marching forward with innovation, showcasing a commitment to providing state-of-the-art tools for content creators and drone enthusiasts alike. Let's explore the rumored products that could redefine DJI's dominance in the market, from groundbreaking drones to advanced handheld cameras. DJI Flip, redefining compact drones. The DJI Flip, a sub-250G drone, is rumored to feature a revolutionary folding design. This drone is expected to bridge the gap between beginner-friendly models and high-performance mini-series. With a focus on portability and safety, the Flip is anticipated to include full-surface propeller protection, making it ideal for novice pilots and seasoned users alike. Potential features include 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capable of 4K 60 frames per second HDR video for cinematic quality. Obstacle avoidance system, a scaled-down version of the premium system found in models like the Air 3S. Battery life, a 3,110 mAh battery offers 31 minutes of flight time. Transmission technology, OcuSync 4.0 for enhanced range and signal stability. Expected to launch at CES 2025 in multiple configurations, base unit, RC2 bundle, and Fly More combo. The Flip is shaping up to be an exciting addition to DJI's lineup. DJI Mini 5 Pro, compact powerhouse. Rumors suggest the DJI Mini 5 Pro will push the boundaries of innovation while staying under the 249G weight limit. Leaked images reveal a design with vented motors, likely for better performance while adhering to strict weight constraints. If true, the Mini 5 Pro could feature advanced obstacle detection, borrowed from the Air 3S for enhanced safety, improved motors, offering better efficiency without adding significant weight, lightweight frame, designed to comply with global drone regulations. The Mini 5 Pro, rumored for a summer 2025 release, is poised to refine the already impressive Mini 4 Pro, making it a must-have for drone enthusiasts. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, cinematic excellence. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro has been the subject of much anticipation following leaked images and regulatory filings. The drone is expected to offer groundbreaking advancements, including LiDAR sensor array for unmatched spatial awareness and obstacle detection, extended flight time, a robust 6,654 mAh battery providing up to 47 minutes per charge. Enhanced storage, 2 TB internal storage with microSD card support. Leaked details hint at a professional-grade tool designed for cinematographers and data specialists. If true, the Mavic 4 Pro could debut in early 2025. DJI Osmo 360, immersive storytelling. The DJI Osmo 360 is rumored to mark DJI's entry into the 360-degree camera market. Expected features include dual lens design for seamless 360 degrees video capture, compact build with a front-facing display and simple controls for ease of use, wireless connectivity, ensuring smooth operation and real-time image processing. Regulatory filings suggest an early 2025 launch, positioning the Osmo 360 as a versatile tool for immersive storytelling. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, enhanced portability. The Osmo Pocket 4 is set to elevate DJI's handheld camera lineup with notable upgrades. 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, offering 800 nits brightness for improved visibility. 1-inch CMOS sensor, paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens for sharper images and better low-light performance. Advanced video capabilities. 4K recording at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion potential of its predecessor. Additional features like ActiveTrack 7.0 and fast charging promise a seamless experience for vloggers and travelers. DJI Osmo Action 6, incremental upgrades. Building on the success of the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the Osmo Action 6 is expected to feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi for improved connectivity and faster data transfer. Battery options, 2 variants, offering flexibility for extended recording sessions. Anticipated for an early 2025 release, the Osmo Action 6 aims to refine its predecessor's capabilities. DJI Air 4, versatile and portable. A leaked image of the DJI Air 4 hints at a compact, folded design reminiscent of previous Air models. Potential enhancements include triple lens system, similar to the Mavic 3 Pro for superior imaging, improved portability, without sacrificing performance. If these rumors hold, the Air 4 could cater to both hobbyists and professionals looking for a balance of power and convenience. DJI RC Track, hands-free innovation. The DJI RC Track is rumored to introduce a groundbreaking minimalist controller with features like voice-controlled functionality for hands-free commands such as takeoff, tracking, and landing, compact design with directional controls and LED indicators for intuitive use, enhanced range, up to 100 meters for proximity shooting. This accessory could redefine drone operation, offering simplicity and precision to users of all levels. The future of DJI, AI and accessibility. DJI's 2025 lineup underscores a commitment to smarter, user-friendly technology. By integrating AI-driven features like gesture recognition, autonomous flight patterns, and real-time image processing, DJI aims to make its devices more accessible while maintaining top-tier performance. These advancements allow creators to focus on storytelling, ensuring a seamless experience for users across the spectrum. Conclusion: from drones to cameras and innovative accessories, DJI's upcoming releases promise versatility and refinement. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the 2025 lineup offers tools to fuel your creative ambitions. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow DJI's journey into the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and insights. See you next time on Technology in the Future.